If you're looking to connect Gmail to Asana, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to set it up so you can streamline your workflow and stay organized in no time. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to integrate Gmail with Asana, saving you tons of time and effort. Stick around for a bonus tip on maximizing the benefits of this integration, so make sure to watch all the way through. First things first, let's go over why this integration is so powerful. When you connect Gmail to Asana, you can easily turn emails into tasks, keep track of projects directly from your inbox, and have everything in one place. This simple connection can massively boost your productivity by minimizing the need to jump between apps and screens. Now, let's jump into the steps to connect Gmail to Asana. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to the Asana website and log into your account. If you don't have an Asana account yet, you can sign up for free by following the link in the description below. Once you're in, click on your profile icon at the top right corner and go to My Profile Settings. Next thing, from the Profile Settings menu, select the Apps tab. This is where you'll find all the third-party integrations Asana supports. Look for Gmail in the list of apps and click on it. You'll be prompted to connect your Google account to Asana. At this point, you'll be redirected to a Google login page where you'll need to sign into the Gmail account you want to link to Asana. After logging in, Asana will ask for permission to access your Gmail account. Click Allow and you're almost there. The fourth thing you'll want to do is confirm that the connection is working. Once you've granted permission, head over to your Gmail inbox, and you should now see an option to Add to Asana at the top of the email. You can simply click on that option, and Asana will create a task based on the content of the email. Another thing to note is that you can customize this integration. You can set up Gmail rules so that certain emails automatically turn into tasks, making the process even more efficient. This will save you a lot of time if you're working on repetitive tasks that come through your email. Lastly, once you've connected Gmail to Asana, you'll be able to manage your projects with a whole new level of ease. You can create tasks from your emails, assign them to team members, set due dates, and track the progress all from within the Asana interface. Now that we've gone through the basics of connecting Gmail to Asana, here's that bonus tip I promised. Make sure you take advantage of Asana's advanced features, like creating workflows for automated task management. This will help you save even more time and streamline your entire process. Before I finish up, just a reminder that you can use Asana for free by clicking the first link in the description below. And as a special bonus, if you sign up today, you'll get an extended free trial of their premium features, so don't miss out on this opportunity. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly how to connect Gmail to Asana, making your workflow easier and more efficient.